What up, y'all? It's your boy Lightwork. I want to share something real quick. Um, it's part of my teaching series. So I'm gonna jump in real quick with three of the demonic spirits that set out to attack you. So I'm just gonna give a brief description, and I probably will go more in detail maybe a little later. But real quick, three demonic spirits that I dealt with just in my um, in the past, not too long ago past. So the first one we have is the Leviathan, and you can find the Leviathan in the Bible in Isaiah 27:1 and Psalm 74:14. The Leviathan is a spirit that twists communication, it distorts conversations, it turns simple moments into conflict. And how it showed up for me was through two individuals that I befriended. Um, they always argue. It was always an argument. Even like it says, simple things would turn into arguments. Um, Again, it's a spirit that twists communication. So think about any time that you've ever been in a situation where the communication was off, or because of the communication being off, something happened with you and the other person, or you and a group of people. The second spirit is the Jezebel. And what I want to say with the Jezebel is the Jezebel could be a man or a woman. And this spirit attacks through manipulation, through control, through seduction, and through intimidation. It especially targets prophetic voices, and you can find the Jezebel in First Kings. And then the last spirit that I want to just share with you guys is the Python. The Python attacks through exhaustion, heaviness, and anxiety. You can find this in Acts and First Samuel. My ex was really good at being a Python. He would run me through the streets trying to exhaust me. It came with the spirit of heaviness, and it also came with anxiety, because a lot of times you're trying to, or I was trying to, in that season, trying to keep up and trying to please someone that um, wasn't in it for that at all. They weren't in it for love. They weren't in it for the things I was in it for. Um, but yeah, so again, like if you're dealing with any of these things, know that you have help in Christ Jesus. You can go to the Word um, and find your support. But again, those are the three demonic spirits I wanted to share with you guys today. Um, Again, yo, man, this is your boy Lightwork, the Alchemist. Go be a light in the world because we already have enough darkness. Be easy. Peace.